though, warming back to above average. We get more of a summer-like feel in our forecast the next couple days. The big story on Storm Tracker is Francine, the remnants of Francine. It did bring rain to southern Indiana yesterday, but the rest of us dry. So the current look at Storm Tracker shows the remnants of Francine, that low pressure system spinning to our south and west. We're not going to see any additional rain chances from this, unfortunately. Zooming in on Storm Tracker, we do have just a few passing clouds this morning, but completely dry now statewide. The dry air is what won the battle here in central Indiana. Two-day rainfall amounts showing some spots near Louisville closer to 3 inches of rain, just south of Bloomington an inch. Bloomington officially at their airport only a couple hundredths of an inch. But yeah, the rest of us were left out from the rain chances from Francine. And our drought monitor, moderate drought, continues to expand. I wouldn't be shocked if we're headed towards a flash drought, considering we're not tracking any rain chances over the next couple days. A live look at our zoo camera, 72 degrees right now. As I mentioned, some passing clouds, winds out of the east 5 to 10 miles an hour. But we're not going to see much with the cloud cover for today into the afternoon. Futurecast, the other thing to mention here, there is still some wildfire smoke in the upper levels of our atmosphere in the Midwest, primarily north and east of Indiana, that will swing through the state over the weekend. Not going to cause any air quality issues at the surface, but something to watch on the horizon. Today, temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, mostly sunny skies through the afternoon and evening hours. Our high temperature checking in at 88 degrees. Our average high for this time of year, 79, so good 10 degrees above average for today, or near 10 degrees above average statewide. 89 in Columbus, 88 in Bloomington. And then as we're looking ahead to this evening, we mentioned it, Wish TV night. As we get into this evening, Indy 11, kickoff temperatures in the mid-80s, finishing out in the mid-70s, mostly clear skies. Tonight, we're falling into the 60s statewide. And then looking ahead to close out the weekend, similar temperatures, mid to upper 80s, winds out of the east, southeast, 5 to 10 miles an hour. Here's the deal with the humidity. It's slightly humid for now. Basically comfortable to uncomfortable range, hovering around that through the next couple days. So this is not going to be summer-like humidity we've seen in prior days. It's not going to be that bad. Next 5 days with our high temperatures consistently above average. I mentioned we're not tracking any rain chances really in our forecast. The other thing to watch for the country here, we do have a 50% chance of tropical development off the Carolina coast. Helene would be the next named system, and the Carolina coast would have to watch this specifically. But how about this precipitation outlook? We're just sandwiched in the above average rainfall for the Carolina coast from that system, and then the Dakotas, we're just left out with drier than normal conditions in the 6 to 10 day outlook for us in Indiana. Hensley Legal Group 7-day forecast. No rain chances in this entire forecast. Temperatures consistently above average all the way through next week. We may see some more clouds Wednesday and Thursday from what will potentially become tropical storm Helene, but otherwise temperatures remaining in the mid to upper 80s to close the week.
Wish TV's